Friday afternoon, guys. We made it through the week. We got an hour and 15 minutes left in the market, and then an hour and 15 minutes for the live stream. Tough week, all I gotta say. But we are still here, and we're ready for next week. It's gonna be a short week next week, but we're still ready to go. We got AMC trading above $20 per share. Thank goodness did not break down. Sitting at $20.57 right now. Shib is sitting at 3,100 points per coin. GameStop bouncing back slightly, sitting at 116.20. And Prague trading sideways, 168 on the day, up about 5%. Who do we have first in the chat? Oh, wait. Me! I was first in the chat today. JJ, what's going on, man? You're second. Leah, third. Yes, Cassie, fourth. Good deal. Freddie, save the best for fifth, right? Paul, Freddie, Leah, Isa, Woo, Crypto, not rocketing. Leah, Keith, Freddie, Crypto, not rocketing. Yeah, we got the same. Isa, Woo, yes. Paul, yes. Devil's Advocate in here as well. And we are caught up. BBIG, over, under, 4. Go. Don't know where it's at. Under. Where's BBIG? Whew, 401. Oh, 401. I'm calling under. Dang, man. What a run BBIG had. Are we cutting out? I hope we're not cutting out. Look at BBIG. Breaking resistance here. Filling that gap there. And still going on a nice little run. BBIG looking very good. Wow. Wow. Is it going to test 12 bucks? Nobody knows. But that is a sick run, man. Doubling your money in 3 days. Very nice. Doubling your money on shares. If you bought calls, you're doing even better than that. So, my gosh. And Doge sitting at 1886 right now. Glad my guy got out earlier. Otherwise, he'd be losing even more money right now. GameStop kind of turning. AMC kind of turning. Prague kind of turning. They might be fighting us towards the end of the day here, guys. How dare you? Dude, I just made a guess, man. I didn't even know where it was at. For all I knew, it was at $3 still. Gamma ramp wild. Man, I'm telling you, it's moving for sure. Next week gonna be big fun. I hope so. You still got any calls? You close them all out. Sorry, Clay. I was tardy due to mass consumption of many worlds. Isa Woo. That's a good reason to be tardy, man. Volt Inu in Charity on Dex Tools. Volt Inu. Is that a new crypto that I do not know about? Volt Inu. Yes, it is. Let's see what we got here for Volt Inu. Volt Inu, been out for going on almost a month now. No market cap that I'm seeing. Decent volume, $749,000 worth. But hasn't had too much activity. Such a low price that I can't even tell what it's doing. It's up 30% today, though. Hello, all you beautiful apes. Bought more AMC and GME today. Couldn't help myself. Frodo. Very nice, man. Very nice. I got some YOLO ones, but sold my more reasonable calls for about a 400% gain. Oh, I love it. Devil's Advocate, I love it, man. Gains like that are amazing. Nice, Frodo. Video isn't working well for me, so just imagining. The live stream video is not working? Or are you talking about something else, man? Yes, Volt Inu is on both branches, Binance and Ethereum, but Binance is better for lower fees. Charity is great, but it's only on Ethereum. Very nice, man. Stick with the Binance branch of Volt, so it's also newer released in the Ethereum branch. Gotcha, Texas. Texas what? Jeff Gaming? Texas Jeff Gaming? Is that what you got there? Dude, Volt Inu, yeah, if it sounds like something you guys are interested in, I say you get started, but if you want to see it right here, you've got the Binance contract right here if you want. Let's see what they got going on. How many holders? 1,500 holders on the Binance contract. We got a lot locked up in this wallet here. 97% locked up in this wallet. And PancakeSwap's only got about 0.41% in PancakeSwap right now. So you guys can take a look at that if you guys are interested in Volt Inu. What do they got going on here, man? Dude, I like 3 minutes before I went live, I just got a really weird headache. Volt Inu, that looks like a very cool one. Tokenomics, let's see what kind of fees they got out here. We've got some pretty big fees. So 1%, 5%, 9%, and another 4%, 13% fees on the Binance Smart Chain. 1% gets redistributed back to you. 4% automatically burnt. 4% back to the marketing and development department. So I don't know if they're actually marketing or not, but 4% goes back to them. And then 4% gets locked up in the treasury, which is, I mean, basically the same thing, since they can do whatever they want with it. So very high fees, but if you guys are interested in Volt Inu, there it is. Going back to that, and then taking this off. No, this is what I want. Yeah. Good day for Prague and my family. Today is a good day for Prague. We're up about, what, 5% right now. AMC just trading sideways, man. It's holding this 2050 line. Got a little red candle coming in here. Prague sitting at 4% gain on the day. 30.90 for Shiba Inu. Not a ton of action here. And GameStop trying to claw its way back from a 5% loss right now. Hello, everyone. DD214, what's going on, man? Freddie and them Clay Bro NFTs. Yes, Clay, I tagged you on a tweet today. Please, look, I need your opinion. Oh, man, let's see what. Do I have? I don't know if I don't have Twitter open. Nope, don't have Twitter open. Tags me in a tweet. Notification. Yes. Mentions. Oh, add me to you. Okay. Freddie, I follow you, man. I'm following Freddie. I think that's the tweet you tagged me in, right? Good deal, Freddie. I follow you. No worries on that. There's a fly on your wall. Shred it. No. There can't be a fly on my wall right now, man. Flies don't live in the winter time. Come on. Thanks, brother. Absolutely. Surety Project is also a great project, but it's only on Ethereum blockchain. Very nice. If you guys are interested in Ethereum coins, you got high gas fees, but you could absolutely make some money on those too. Hey, I know you won't be live Monday, and I already miss you. DD214, I'm not going to lie, man. I miss you too. And it's not even Monday yet. Nah, I'm going to miss doing it. I mean, it's a little bit of a, it feels like a little bit of a break, but shoot, I'll miss doing it. I don't want this. I want this here. Okay. My gosh. Shouldn't be that hard to move a camera around. Clibro, do you know how short a GME is? JJ, unfortunately, I do not. I actually don't know any of the numbers on GameStop. Is LBank a good exchange? The Cure token just got listed there and went up 5%. I'm going to be honest, Keith. I've never used LBank. I've never even heard of LBank. That one is under 1,000 holders with a max wallet of 0.05% whales. Very nice, Texas. Hi, everyone. Donnell. Good afternoon, Donnell. Obviously, to reduce pump and dumps. Yes. And it's very easy to pump and dump a coin when it's got a low market cap. It just came out. People can buy it. Dude, you go in there with $5,000. It shoots the price up because it's got a super low market cap. You go out with $5,000. It shoots the price down because it's got a super low market cap. It's difficult. It's difficult to get these coins off the floor. Video's not working for me at times. Crypto Rocketeer said the same thing, right? It says I dropped 0 frames. Dude, if you guys want to know the difference, my CPU is only working at 3% right now. When I was on the laptop, the CPU was working at like 55 to 70%. So there is a big difference. We got 30 frames per second, 0 frames dropped. We're sitting at 2640 kilobits per second, and we got 2.8% CPU usage. I don't know. I highly doubt it's me, but it doesn't seem like you're the only one, Leah. For Clay's sake, smash that like button. Thank you very much. Please do. Please do. Smash that like button. Clay sent you a DM. Check when you get a chance. Doesn't have to be on stream. Freddie, perfect, man. LBank is an okay exchange. I have my Mononoke Inu there. Dwight, very good. So, Cure token listed on LBank, and Dwight's holding his Mononoke there. Clay, did you see the GME movie announced on AMC Stubs? Release date, January 28th. Pringleton, I did not see that, but that sounds like something I'm interested in, man. I hope there's some action in AMC and GameStop towards the end of this month. Now, I know there's been some people talking about gamma squeezes and stuff on January 21st. I don't know if that's necessarily going to do anything. but I do hope there's like some anniversary antics going on out there. Charity also has a lower tax, sorry. Slippage is only 7% on that one. Very nice, Texas. Happy Friday, Clay Bro. Polo, happy Friday to you. Mariachi, where does AMC need to close on the 21st for Gamma Squeeze to be activated? Your thoughts? My gosh. Mariachi. So, apparently, and I haven't actually looked at the numbers, but just for people talking, there are a lot of options for the $145 strike price. Now, personally, I don't believe we're going to see a $145 strike price hit on AMC by the end of January, but that would certainly cause a Gamma Squeeze if we did, because I know that people are not hedging all of those options at 145 because they don't believe it's going to reach that. But, you know, for a possibility of a Gamma Squeeze, any unexpected run could absolutely cause a Gamma Squeeze. So I don't know where max pain is, if that's more or less what you're, I guess, shifting your question towards, but any unexpected run could cause a Gamma Squeeze. David, what's going on, Dave? We got a lot of people named Dave coming in here now. What are we supposed to do Monday without you? Dunno. Claybro Marathon. All you got to do is replay the videos all day long, and it'll be good, because you're still going to have like 3 videos coming out on Monday. So no worries on that. Holding 1,200 shares of AMC and just bought my first 2 shares of GameStop going to Pluto, baby. El Campo, very nice. AMC to Pluto, ahoo, yes. I mean, think about it. You know, Ape Father gets a lot of hate, but that dude came up with a good song that people are still saying. AMC to Pluto, ahoo, yes. So, yeah, I don't know, man. Credit where credit's due. I'm serious. I think it could be an announcement, possibly NFT. I remember Adam Aaron talking on Earnings Q3 about joining the GME to work together. Yeah, he did say that he was up to the possibility of that and that they would be discussing it. They hadn't discussed it at the time, but they were up for a partnership discussion. Another David, we got another David in here, man, for real. Hold Shiba, buy Shiba. Hold Shiba, buy Shiba. Hold, buy. Good things are coming soon for Shiba. Money Shiba whale. Talk to me, a key. Let's get it. Talk to me here. Are you a Shiba whale? Leah, not yet, but working on it. What did Leah say? Darn it. I didn't even see what Leah said. Anyway, you can watch Crypto George on Monday talking about Bitcoin. There you go. Crypto George be, live on Monday talking about Bitcoin? Pretty. Those NFTs are sick, bro. Clay is going to be so stoked. Yes, man. It already sounds like something I'm interested in. I get number 0, right? Freddy. I get 00. I get 0. The first one. The Genesis NFT. Is AMC up from here? Sonny, I hope so. We are sitting at like the support of the support. If we do not hold 20, I'm going to be a little surprised if we don't hold 20. But if we don't hold 20, then, yeah, man, we're going to have some tough days ahead. I heard you have a Luna hostage. Is it true? I don't think so. What is Luna? What is Luna Cat? Ocampo, I don't know if you heard that correctly, because I don't even know what that is. Shout out to Freddie for those NFTs. Isawu, man, thank you very much. Appreciate that super chat there. And yeah, Freddie's making some pretty cool graphics, apparently. Hey, since you are such good friends with Jeff Bezos, can you please call him up to make him buy $1 trillion and then make him burn it? Freddie, I would love to have him burn it. Listen, even if you burn 1 trillion Shiba Inu coin, I honestly don't think that's going to do anything. I honestly don't think it's going to do anything. I mean, you got to burn at least 5 trillion if you just want to burn 1% of the overall supply. So, I don't think he's going to burn 1 trillion, man. He needs to burn a lot more than that. Could it be hedges are trying to make as much money as they can to pay out this squeeze? That is possible. Yes, Shredda, that is possible. But I would be willing to say that they are trying to get us to give up before they're willing to, pay out as high as the squeeze could possibly go. I think they plan on us walking away and giving up. Missing cat in New York. Big Phil, there's a missing cat in New York? I've not heard about this, man. Luna is a cat that's missing in New York. I don't have that cat, dude. I don't have that cat. How you been, good? Haven't tuned in for a minute. Detroit Demon, why have you not been in here, man? I'm actually good. Got a little headache right now, but I'm doing okay. Luna is a girl from Harry Potter. Okay, Luna's a missing cat from Lou's videos. Ah, okay. Now it might make sense. Is Luna Lou's cat? Or is this literally just a street cat that Lou walks by and talks to? Okay, 10 trillion burn from, I will go with a 10 trillion burn from Bezos. Yeah, 2% of what, about $20 billion? He could do that. Easy, man. Easy. Chris, thank you very much for the super chat, Chris. Just hopping in to say hello, apes. Hope everyone is staying relaxed and holding strong. Probably going to hop out before this gets read. Chris, question is, did you hop out? Chris is still here. I know Chris is still here. Chris, you're still here. Don't worry about that. Thank you very much for the super chat. Hey, bro. It's Lou versus Wall Street. Gotcha. Jim, see, I didn't know, man. I watched some of Lou's videos when he first came on the scene, but I have not watched Lou in a long time, man. I haven't watched, so I don't know what all's going on with him. I think one of the last things I've seen was like when he was talking to that duck or something, but it was a goose or something like that. He called it a duck and it was a goose. I don't know. I forget what was going on. Are you Canadian? No, David, I'm not Canadian. I'm from Ohio. Would you recommend to buy crypto on Webull since it's sometimes different price? So Polo, yeah, I do own crypto on Webull. Here's the thing you got to keep in mind if you're buying on Webull though, okay? Webull, you don't have an address, so you're not able to transfer your crypto off of Webull. Think of Webull like you're buying a derivative. You're buying the price action of crypto. You can't transfer. If you buy Shiba on Webull, you can't transfer it off of Webull. You would have to cash it out and then transfer your cash out. So keep that in mind, man. Keep that in mind if you're buying on Webull. But if you're buying like Ethereum and stuff and you don't want to pay huge gas fees for buying and selling 50 times a day, then it could work out great because you don't have gas fees. You only got to cover the spread. A lost cat posting on street. Okay, so he walked by a missing cat or something like that. I'm sure these people in the background or Lou's ADHD or something caught up and he said, "Oh, missing cat named Lou." Those are some beautiful looking 3D NFT artwork of the models. These NFTs are already 10x in one day. Potential collabs with Louis Vuitton and other high-end fashion brands. My gosh. What is we need NFTs, guys. $135 million Shiba bought 2 weeks ago is Robinhood. Fact, bet 100 million Shiba. Dude, I highly doubt it's Robinhood. Talk to me, a key. I highly doubt. I used to just like, he's okay now. Well, Big Phil, good deal, man. I haven't watched it. It's been months. Oh, the Duck's got a name. That one dude, the Duck's got a name. What do you think about the current status of AMC? I personally bought some more. Yeah, Detroit. So I bought some calls that expire in February because I expect. Well, listen here. I expect to bounce off of $20 because it's held up in the past, like the previous 2 or 3 times that we've hit $20. It's bounced off. So I expect support to hold up. Clearly, support can be broken and it could go down, but I do expect it to bounce off this level. If it doesn't, man, it's just a support level that was broken. Well, that's your thoughts on the CoinMarketCap drama. Dude, I don't understand why CoinMarketCap does what they do, and I don't know if that is, if they're at fault for listing these Binance, Solana, and Terra pegged, I guess, cryptocurrencies that are pegged to the price of Shiba Inu coin, because, they are pegged to the price of Shiba Inu coin. But at the same time, I don't know how that works, what the review process is, and so on. Because clearly there's no affiliation with the Shiba Inu team in those blockchains. So I think they're upset about that because it's going to be bringing more attention to these other coins as opposed to just theirs on the Ethereum blockchain. But, at the same time, it's just a pegged coin. Devils, I give it. How have you considered buying puts on AMC? I will reimburse you after MOAS. Probably has literally been going up since the moment I decided to try out getting a put on. Okay, now I got it. Devil's Advocate. If you go buy a put on AMC, maybe it'll go up too. Now that sounds like something I'm in. Pringleton. Yeah, I'll also reimburse him for the price of that put. Dude, if he buys it and it triggers this squeeze, he could get the value of that put reimbursed like 5 times over. Anybody else join in? If Devil's Advocate triggered the squeeze for us, and you appreciate it, Polo? Absolutely. Clay, bro. When I gain super chats coming to you. Love your channel, broski Dylan, man. Thank you very much. And look, guys, honestly, I appreciate every single one of the super chats, but please don't ever feel like you're obligated to do so or anything like that. I do appreciate every single one of them. And if you can, great. I have a lot of fun with them. If you can't, dude, no worries whatsoever. Just click the like button. Good enough. Hey, we need to put our feelers out into the community to get these info on these NFT projects before they mint so the bros can get into them before they pop. Frodo, completely on with that, man. Completely on with that. I need to find more time in the day to be able to get in on a lot of this stuff. So, yeah, I don't even know where to start looking for NFTs like this. Do you think the squeeze will happen after hours? David, if it starts after hours, it's not going to finish after hours. So I'm not worried about that. Coin market is anti-Shiba. As soon as it went up to 0.008, they suddenly added trillions split. And Dwight, that is a little weird too, okay? That is a little weird. Maybe they're like pro-Doge, anti-Shiba or something. I don't know. Put was 1 million. I got it. Dude, you literally bought the most expensive put there was. $1 million for that put. Devil's Advocate. Great. Now let's get the squeeze. Somebody's got to reimburse this guy 5 times over. Oh my gosh. I will. I won't. Yes, AMC Trapper. No longer. You paid $1 million for that put, darn it. BBIG and AMC Emily. You get any BBIG? You got any calls? You got some shares there? I don't have any BBIG, guys. I have more faith in the MOS than my dad ever coming back after he left for milk some 25 years ago. Nando. He's still haggling for that $1 million gallon of milk, isn't he? That was well, you heard him. And Clay said he'd reimburse you. We all heard. Pringleton. You too, man. You too. You're in this. We're all in this together. Pringleton and Clay Bro. We're all in this together. Can you explain what is an NFT? What, how, where, need to learn more about NFT. What, how, where? Okay, so basically, man, an NFT is a single coin. I mean, you could just make a single NFT. You don't have to mint thousands of them or anything like that. But it's a single coin or a single, I say coin, but it's a, because coin might be the easiest way to think of it, but it's a single, it's a token, right? And a token could represent a picture, a token could represent anything at that point. But it cannot be split. So, with Bitcoin, you can go out there and buy half a Bitcoin if you want. With a non-fungible token, that's what it stands for, NFT, non-fungible token, that simply means that it cannot be split. If you've got one, you always have to have one. If you transfer it, you transfer the whole token. If you buy it, you buy the whole token. You cannot buy a percentage. You cannot buy a fraction. You cannot buy a piece. It's always one whole token. Now, the uses for that are, I guess, developing. Because there's only one and only ever one, people are using it to verify products, verify pictures, verify something. It basically declares your ownership of that because you are the only person that can own it since there's only one token and it can never be split. Well, after that $1 million karaoke performance, consider us even, dude. Devil's Advocate. Boom! Perfect, man. I knew I'd get it back. I had to get that one so that my dad could finally get his milk, man. I hope he does, Devil's Advocate, and I hope he comes back. What are your thoughts on SPY today? Market dump. I actually didn't see what was going on. I didn't see what was going on with the SPY today. Wow, no. So, if you get in on mint day, you usually can buy 2 to 5 NFTs for about $200 to $300 each. If it's a successful project like C1, which I'm not familiar with C1, the price could jump to 1 Ethereum or higher in a week or less. Ooh, oh my gosh, dude. But here's the question. So, and Frodo, I know this is what you're probably asking too. How do you determine what kind of a project is going to be successful? Are you out there looking for, NFTs that can be staked? Are you looking for NFTs that could potentially have, airdrops or product drops down the line? Are you looking for NFTs that have, really desirable art? Like, what are you looking for when you're out there trying to get these NFTs? Because that's the question, man. How do you find a sought-after project? NFT is a non-fungible token. It is basically a smart contract on a crypto network like Ethereum network. At the moment, they are being used for digital assets. They are unique and secure. How do they all finish up today? Pringleton, good question, man. We got AMC closing 0.48% lower on the day, $20.57, sitting at $20.57 after hours as well. Shiba Inu sitting at 31.17. Very, very slow afternoon, kind of trading sideways all day between 30.70 and 31.70. But sitting at 31.17 right now. Prague, sideways after all afternoon after rising this morning, sitting at 169 on the close. It's up 5%. 167 after hours, so down about 2 cents after hours. And then GameStop closed at 116.65 today. That's down 4.80%. And after hours, sitting at 116.80. So jumping just slightly to 0.10%. Now let's see. Farmy seems to have closed at 22.37 today and up about 0.5% after hours. The NASDAQ closed up 0.60% today. And then crypto looking pretty good. Sundial, green on the day. Wow, guys. Sundial sitting at a 56.40 or 0.564 or 56.40 cents, however you want to word it. And then just breaking even after hours. Not too much going on there. I would say it's a pretty slow day. I'd say it's a pretty slow day today. I think investors are anticipating a long weekend and kind of just taking a little bit of a break. No hat. Leah, no hat on something. I don't even know where no hat in there, but I like it. I thought it was an alpha. Oh my gosh. Nope, non-functioning testicle is completely different. It might be something you have to worry about, but never mind. My Bitcoin is worth the same as your Bitcoin and everyone's Bitcoin. NFTs are like if my Bitcoin was worth different than yours different from the next guy, and so on. Yeah, DD, if that's one way you want to think about it, but it's also like, it's not. Yours might be a Bitcoin, but yours is the only Bitcoin. And then I've got an Ethereum, and you've got one Solana, and you've got one Cardano, and you've got one Doge. You can't really compare the two because they are different, man. You can have the Bored Ape NFTs, right? And they're all a part of the Bored Ape collection, but every single one of them is different. So you're right, man. Your Bored Ape NFT is completely different than my Bored Ape NFT, which is completely different than somebody else's Bored Ape NFT, and so on. NFT was supply and demand, period. Yeah, Freddie. I agree with that. And NFTs, I don't think that they're necessarily going to need to be sold either. You know what I mean? Like, you can get into NFT applications for just complete verification principles and not even for capital gains. You could see NFTs being used in real-world applications. Nice. Freddie Meta Worlds will allow you to use your NFTs on multiple platforms too. Very good. Dogecoin and I'm sure other coins seem like a rolling stock buy dips and sell 3 to 5 cents higher. It keeps bouncing back and forth. Day trader mentality. Yeah, Jaw. So we do have a lot of people trading these coins when they can't break levels of support and resistance. A lot of buying, a lot of selling, a lot of volume. And you can see you can't stop falling. Where is the floor? So Mark, the floor is at 20. And if that floor is broken, Think about it like old school Mortal Kombat, man. I've never played any of the new ones, but you know, if you uppercut somebody real hard and they go up through the floor, or if you like, you know, send them down in a fatality and you throw them through the floor and they land on the spikes down there, if it falls through the $20 floor, the next one is $17. If it falls through that, the next one is $14.50. If it falls through that, you're looking at $12 again. If it falls through that, probably 10 and then 8. So you're going to have some levels of support down there, but I hope we don't ever have to worry about that. Frodo, wish I would have known about CO1 NFT collection before today so I could have gotten in on the mint. Now I am waiting for a main mint of Warrior Lines. So Frodo, how does that work, man? How does that work? Because I've seen some of these new coins come out that they've got NFTs, but the NFT, and I don't know if this is just completely different or what, but there's like mystery boxes, okay? I don't know if that means minting NFTs or if literally minting NFT means you choose the picture you want, or if it's just a mystery or what the deal is. So when you mint an NFT, are you basically buying it in like sight unseen, and then you get either the rare, common, super rare, ultra rare, or whatever, or is it different for every project as well? AMC's floor is up, brother. Nice. KO bets. No, listen, man. I did buy some calls yesterday on AMC sitting at $20. So I agree. I think it's gonna bounce off the $20 floor. Hola, boas artes. Sonic Mateus. E aí, como você tá, mano? So, por quê? Por que você burro? Can we customize NFTs, Freddie? That is the question. I think you could, man. I think you could, especially if Freddie's making them, right? All we want to know is when Shiba Moon, Freddie. Soon Moon, man. Always. Soon Moon. Can we customize NFTs? What's this guy's name? Long-time listener. First-time participant. KO Bets. Congratulations, man. I'm glad you're finally participating. Glad you listened. You finally made it able to type in the chat. Let's have some fun, KO. It's ping-ponging up and down, but it's overall going down. Mark Johnson. Yeah, so here's the deal, though. You know, we've had a lot of selling pressure, and AMC's been following the overall, I can't even say overall market, because it's not like the NASDAQ or S&P have been falling for the last 2 months. But a lot of these lower cap stocks or riskier stocks, they have been falling since November. So knowing that, it's not just AMC that's getting hit hard. What's your name? My name is Clay, man. My name is Clay, KO. What's your name? Many worlds will allow you to customize all parts of NFTs. Isa Wu. Now that sounds pretty sweet. I did not know that many worlds had NFTs down the pipeline. I'd like to have one for myself and for my nana. Shoot, man, I'd like to have one for myself too. Unfortunately, I don't have a nana. I got a pap. Can I get one for me and pap? If Leah gets one for Leah and Nana, I should get one for me and pap. Come on now. Counselor Murray, man, I haven't seen you in a minute. Counselor Murray, how you doing, dude? Thank you very much for the super chat. Checking in. Great job, Apes. Boom. We held it above $20, Counselor Murray. We did what we could. We are still here, and we are ready to fight another day next week. Glad you're here, Counselor Murray, because I really haven't seen you in a while. Of course it's going down. They are pushing hard before the 21st options expiring. Desperation. Dude. 21st options expiring, yes. But I also think that they will try to keep it down ahead of the end of the month. I don't want to get excited, but I like behind the scenes, man, I am getting a little bit excited that AMC could have some decent attention put on it towards the end of the month. And not just by, you know, Reddit and Twitter and YouTube, but I think that a lot of, like, Bloomberg articles will be written, Wall Street Journal articles will be written about meme stocks and what GameStop did last year. And it could drive a lot of action or drive a lot of traffic back to the meme stock categories. 16 on Tuesday. Mark, I highly doubt. Listen, man, if you do think it's gonna fall on Tuesday, I would say 17. I don't think we break two significant levels of support in one day. You need to have the Ethereum funds in your wallet to pay for the NFT and the gas fees. You then choose how many NFTs you want to mint up to the maximum allowed per person. Then the NFT gets transferred. Frodo, but do you know which one you're buying? Like, do you know which one you're minting based on those projects? You're not talking about a mystery box, right? Because I've seen a lot of mystery boxes lately. The BNB of Bolt is going insane. Nice, Texas. Nice. We got BNB. I probably have Volt still up, right? Yeah, I got Volt still up. And Volt sitting on a 35% gain right now. Very nice. I don't know if the Binance one has to be doing the same thing, right? Sitting on a 35% gain right now for Volt. Very, very nice. If you guys are interested in Volt Inu, right there. 35% gain today. My man Texas likes that one. Fell from 28 to 23 on December 1st. Yeah, $5 decline is possible, man. But there probably wasn't too many levels of support between 28 and 23. You know, that's my reasoning behind it. That's why I don't think it'll break 2 levels of support just in the same day. Is because there's going to be a lot of people that would jump back in at $17 per share as well. Thanks, Freddie. I will DM you soon. Freddie's the man, dude. Freddie can do it. Freddie can do something. I think I might have missed something. Pat, great. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, Leah. Pat needs an NFT too. Hit the like, my peeps. If fundamental price is 5 to 6, then we are winning. A year on, the price holds way above where it should be. Pringleton, yes. Yes. We are still, 3x'd, 4x'd where the price should be, according to the Wall Street analysts, who some people probably think are biased against AMC. But I'm going to be honest, man. I think 3 to 5, I think the $5 to $6 range is a lot more realistic for the fundamental value of AMC. I truly do, okay? Now, that does not mean that I'm selling or hope it goes back down to $5. That simply means that I don't like the fact that they're sitting on $6 billion in debt. They're not bringing on, they have no net income. It's a net loss every year or every quarter. And they're not going to be able to pay down their debt until they drastically increase their revenue. So, I'm on board with that low valuation, but I also know that a stock does not have to trade at its valuation. It can trade detached from that. It can trade detached for that forever if it wants to. It's just a matter of if we give up or not. Salem, hey bro, what's your definition of bear market and how to invest or trade at this time? Are we in a bear market? So Salem, I do not think we're in a bear market right now, okay? If company earnings overall start to go negative, okay, if we see declines in companies' earnings, we could be headed towards a bear market. Now, another thing that will affect that are inflation, or 2 other things that will affect that are inflation and interest rates. If inflation continues to rise and interest rates continue to rise and earnings continue to decrease, then yes, man, we will absolutely be in a bear market. But I do not think we're there right now. And during that time, look, you're going to have a choice to make. You're either going to buy contra ETFs and play the market and play these stocks to the downside. You're going to buy some puts to protect the stocks that you do own, some long-term puts, because you don't know how long the bear market can last. Or you're going to have to go to cash and sit in cash. And then you might just be better off buying bonds or something like the vast majority of conservative investors will do. Frank, man, what do you call that time? Market combat. Frank, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Appreciate you. Frank, I beat you in the live stream today, man. What are you going to do about that? I was first in the chat. Solution is simple. I think we might be able to get on that, dude. Yeah, right. Dude, John is probably like the dude from Taken. You'd go to mess with John. He's like just a mild-mannered dude that never talks, never says anything. Seems pretty boring. But then you show up to his house. Yeah. Wrong move, man. Wrong move. John's probably the baddest dude we know. But how the mint works is different from project to project. Gotcha. So, Freddie. But most NFTs now on Ethereum network. But yes, Solana and other networks are doing NFTs as well. Spider-Man NFT was on a Wax network. Yep. The solution is simple. Saw that one. Is this the right moment to buy Shiba again? Got about 10,000 burning a hole in my wallet. Well, listen, Francis, man. 10,000 burning a hole in your wallet. I hate the term burning a hole in your wallet, right? Because cash is also a position. Or if you're sitting there and you've got it sitting in Ethereum or something, and you need to spend it, or you got it sitting in Tether or something like that, and you want to spend it, okay? But you have to remember, cash is a position. And if something is going to go down in value, you're much better off holding it in cash. Now, with that being said, we are watching and kind of assessing what's going on with the risk on, risk off scenario right now. If people start to calm down about the interest rates, then yeah, dude, today this could be an excellent time to buy Shiba Inu coin. If fears start to get riled up again, no, this could be a bad time to buy Shiba Inu coin. Let's see. $5. Can you name one stock that trades at its fundamental value? Is Tesla worth 100x the entire auto industry combined? Picking individual stocks is speculative. It's been that way for a minute. Can I name a stock that trades at its fundamental value? No, I can't, man, because I haven't gone through and done any fundamental analysis on stocks in a long time. I would say that it's probable some of the companies out there like Walmart, Home Depot, bigger retail companies, apparel companies like Nike, stocks like that, man, that have been out forever, that don't have much in terms of capital gains left because they're already so big. Those are probably as close to fundamental value as you're going to get. AMC fair value is upper 20s, in my opinion. Y'all giving Blue Pumpkin say well, listen, listen, Mr. Blue Pumpkin Man. Upper 20s for a fair value. You have to be basing that off of future revenue growth and future projections for AMC's fundamentals. I highly doubt you can value AMC at what would that give it? What's AMC's market cap today? Like 17 billion? Oh, I don't even know what it is. Alright, anybody know? I don't have the stuff up here. Anybody know what AMC's market value is today? Like 17 billion, upper 20s. Let's just say it's going to be sitting at like 25 to 30 billion dollars. I feel like that's a very high assessment of AMC's worth, knowing that they're bringing in such little revenue. They have no net earnings, and they owe, which is going to be coming due in January 2023, $6 billion in debt. Now, I know they're sitting on $1.6 billion in cash, right? But it's I don't think that they justify that high of a price. Spider Claude for BBIG's chart next week. Thank you very much. Yes, we will be keeping an eye on BBIG's chart next week. Really appreciate that, Claude. Spider Claude, there's another one. Thank you very much for the super chat. And we will be looking at BBIG's chart next week, Spider Claude, because you, my man, are going to be making some money. Have a great weekend, fam. JB, enjoy it, dude. Thanks for being in here. I'd argue amazing Amazon actually does, even though it's super high. Amazon is a monopoly. Yeah, devil's advocate. There's a lot of people who say that Amazon is also way overvalued. That's why I didn't use Amazon as an example, because there's a lot of people that say Amazon is extremely overvalued. So I don't know. I don't know what Amazon's net earnings look like or anything like that. Energy stocks like Enbridge fluctuate around their fair value 95% of the time, having lower overall capital gain while paying their holders monthly dividends in return for holding. Yeah, and you're going to get a lot of dividends in petroleum stocks as well. So if you guys are into dividends, 8 to 10% returns on some of these stocks, you can see that hit in the energy sector. Can't believe I'm the only Volt guy in here. Texas. Is Texas the only Volt guy in here? I don't own any Volt. If you guys own any Volt, let us know. Tick tock. 2025, all their debt comes due. Oh my goodness. Yeah. See, listen, man. If they don't have $6 billion, They're not going to be able to pay their debt. You got to think about that. Sure, it was like Rivian being worth more than Ford despite having not sold one vehicle. Stock market is not to do with fundamentals. Yeah, that's why people buy what they expect, or people buy momentum. People are not necessarily investing based on logic. You know, logically, you would say, well, shoot, man, Ford's worth $25 a share. I will pay $25 a share for it, and I expect it to grow in value over time. And then when it's worth $30 a share, shoot, maybe I'll sell it for $30 a share. Can you explain the lit markets and dark pools? What happens to all those shares at closing? So long live Ethiopia. There's not really any difference between the two, okay? Lit shares, or lit markets and dark pools are basically the same thing. The only difference, when a stock trades on a dark pool, the price is reported and the trade is reported after the trade takes place. When a stock trades on a lit exchange, I place my order out there. You know, if it's a limit order, I place my order out there and everybody can see it. Okay, everybody can. If you got level 2 data, right? If you don't have level 2 data, you're basically just watching the price chart. So if I'm on a lit exchange, I place my order, everybody can see it. Benefits of this. Well, if you can see my order at $20 and I don't even know what it's at right now. Let's just say $20.90. Okay, you might put a limit order in there to buy it at $20.91 if you want to come in and outbid me. Somebody might see your order and say, well, I definitely want to get this share, but I want to get it before him. So I'm going to put my order at $21.92. So it causes that little bit of an auction feel, right? And you can see the orders before they go through. Now, if you don't have level 2 data, right, you're not really going to know what's going on anyway. But on a lit exchange, after that trade takes place, boom, your trade shows up on the ticker tape and says, okay, someone bought a share of AMC at $20.92. Whoop, someone bought a share of AMC at $20.91. Whoop, someone bought a share of AMC at $20.90. Now, dark pool, I put my order up there, and only people that have access to that exchange can see that order being there. Now, in theory, you're supposed to be putting very large orders on the dark pool, so there's not a lot of price, I guess, fluctuation. So if I put an order out there for 10,000 shares of AMC to go through on the dark pool, and you start to fill my orders, okay, well, you're not going to know until my order is filled, all right? So once my order is filled, there's no like auction, there's no price, I guess, efficient market in the fact that you can try to outbid me and so on. But once my order is filled, then it gets reported to the ticker tape. And it says, whoop, somebody went out there and bought 10,000 shares of AMC at $20.80. Okay? It just happens. It's when you can see it, either before the trade takes place or after the trade takes place. Be lovely if AMC is around $14 by payday. I think I might jump right around this time. 26th. If not, I'm going to be filling up. Nice. Pringleton. Yeah, I don't want AMC to go that low, dude. I would like it to stay around, you know, not stay around, but I wouldn't like it to drop down below $20 per share. I would like it to bounce. But if it does and people are buying, great, man. You're going to be loading up. I just don't want people to sell because they're discouraged. Crypto doesn't take a vacation. Crypto never sleeps, man. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It is crazy. After AMC and Jimmy Moes, I am going to be on an NFT buying spree. Going to try to get me a Neo Tokyo Citizen or two, some warriors from Warrior Alliance, and some hot models from CO1. And some hot models from CO1, maybe even Bored Apes. Frodo, very nice, dude. I don't know any of those but but Bored Apes. Dwight, sell on the high, buy on the low. Do it, man. That's great advice. Double Advocate. Your next music video should be Billionaire by Travis McCoy and Bruno Mars. Pretty please. Something about gas fees. I want to wait until it goes up 10,000% before cashing out. Dwight, what are we talking about? What coin are you talking about there? You're supposed to be putting very lot. You're supposed to be putting very lot more AMC. It's 2060 today. Paul, I don't know if I'm supposed to be putting very lot more AMC at 2060, but yes, I hope that AMC goes above 2060 because I got options on AMC. I got shares on AMC. I'm not too worried about the shares, but I don't want the options to expire. In for the long play, not 100% gain. 10,000% gain is better. 10,000% gain is always better, man. Got an emergency call. Got to go later. Oh, that one dude. See you later, man. Hopefully you have a good weekend if you don't come back in before the live stream is over. Thank you very much for being in here. Every stockholder should have access to all of its company's prices, price action. They should get rid of those dark pools. Yeah, so MC, man. I don't think that dark pools are extremely detrimental, okay? I don't think they're extremely detrimental in the first place because, look, dude, there are people without access to level 2 data as well. And it does get reported after the trade takes place. But I do agree with you in the fact that it does give people an advantage over other people. And you know, I can see the intentions behind starting dark pools because they wanted to make it better if, you know, giant pensions or institutions had a huge order. They didn't want to see wild price swings because of their very large orders. And I understand that. But I don't think it's a great idea to have them. I'm kind of like lukewarm on the subject, man. I don't think it's a terrible thing to have them, but I also don't think that it's a great idea to have them either. Who's going to burn some Shiba? Lit Jones. Who's going to burn it, man? Marley, a local neighborhood swing trader coming in. Marley, you making any money today? Not seeing it move up at all is discouraging at times, though. Rob Bliss, man, 100% agree with you on that. Nobody likes a stagnant price. Everybody, listen, I know people would rather see a volatile price. Up and down, up and down, up and down, moving, you know, up 5%, down 5%, and so on, than a stagnant price. Devil's Advocate, you need to believe in yourself. Yeah, Devil's Advocate, don't stop believing. I know that you can do it now. I don't have level 2. You're level 2, so you're all market manipulators. Facts, man. If you don't have level 2 data, we are all manipulating your market. We can see things that you can't see. Be prepared for $10. Mark Johnson, I'm not prepared for $10, man. I'll prepare for $10 if we break through $14.50. Appreciate your response. I hear you. MC, thank you very much, man. I appreciate you. Be prepared for $10. All that. My average right now is about 36. Trying to get it down. Rob Bliss, man. Yeah, my average is still in the 13s, so I'm not panicking or anything, and I'll hold it below 13. I'm not discouraged. I'm still holding and buying when I can. I just want to see some positive. Me too, Rob. It has been just like bloodbath after bloodbath after bludgeoning. It's been difficult, man. I will agree with you on that. I trusted you guys. How could you? Devil's Advocate. We're sorry. We officially apologize. We did not mean to manipulate your market. If you're not manipulating, maybe you should get out. Jim Cramer. Woo-hoo-hoo. Yeah, maybe you should, man. Maybe you should get out. Look, man, I don't know. I think guys that say stuff like that are a little overconfident. I think they're a little overconfident, and they just start to never mind. 42%, no options, WFC, LADMP, very nice. 42% on the day, Marley, on the day. It's an awesome average then. Rob Bliss, oh yeah, dude, I've been in for a long time. Been in for almost a year. 1 minute swing trading, very nice. Marley, you are up 42% on the day. That's huge, dude. You should believe in yourself. Devil's Advocate, you definitely should. Devil's Advocate, come on. Yes, he should. I love this magic song video. Nice. Devil's Advocate, do it. Jim Cramer is wrong half the time. Well, shoot, dude. That means he's right the other half, right? There's a few people in here allowed to manipulate my market, but not all of you. I only want to know if I'm one of them. I only want to know if I'm one of them. Julia Gulia. Are you in here? You can manipulate some markets. I've been averaging up on AMC these past few months. It was nice average down a bit today. If it drops to 14 or 10, I'll buy a crap load more. Frodo. Yeah, if it does drop that low, guys, I honestly think there's going to be so many people swarming in for a round. Because listen, you know, it would give people a round 2 with the same, if not better, short interest than we had a year ago, with the same, if not better, price than we had a year ago, and with the same, if not more excitement, if the stock price starts to move up. So if it does ever get back down into the teens, like low teens, I expect it's going to get crazy. Geez, if it goes to 10, I can even get more shares. Sweet! Pringleton. Dude, I don't want it to go to 10, though. Come on, man. Nobody wants it to go to 10. Devil's Advocate is future profit taker. Addict. Boom. Devil's Advocate's coming in here. He's going to be taking all the profit. Can a person go broke if the stock goes lower than their average? No, Shredda. So a person can't go broke unless one of two things happens. Number one, the stock just completely goes bankrupt and goes down to 0.00001 a share, all right? And that's the only stock they own. Then their account would be at 0. The only other option they have at going broke is if they're trading on margin and their account is leveraged. Let's say they're trading on 2 to 1 and the stock goes down 50% in value. Then yes, at that point they would go broke, because that would be 100% loss for them. And they would get margin called, and the position would be closed out. So that's the only way. If you own AMC at $13 a share, let's just say you own 1 share, and you're sitting on $13. Well, right now, I've got $20.50. If it goes down to $12, it's below my average, but I still have $12. I'm not broke at that point. I'm still sitting on $12. I could sell it at any time I wanted to and have my $12. So the only way my account goes to 0 or goes broke is if the stock goes to 0 or if I'm leveraged. Dwight, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Dwight says, good luck. Good luck. Dwight, thank you very much, man. Appreciate you. What do we need luck for? What do I need luck for? I forget now. Devil's Advocate, stupid question. Look at that neck beard, those cuff jeans, that hairline. That reminds me of my father who never came home. It's a hard yes. Yes. Jeans actually are cuffed again today, man. Jeans actually are cuffed again today. Thought about you as I cuffed them. Just to let you know, I know my secret there. Hey, should do a poll to see if Devil's Advocate should do more music video clips. Oh, dude. Well, we got to listen to Danelle. Oh, nope. It's not a poll. That's just me typing. Okay. Well, we're apparently in caps lock. Clay, do not do that poll. Listen, man, I got to do what Danelle says. Devil's Advocate, I got to do what Danelle says. And then you got to do what the poll says. Let's see if you're releasing a new music video clip sometime soon. Leah, we will find out here in a second. Lucky enough to have 2 separate accounts, $16 average and one $20 average in the another. Time to average down if they drop it lower. Good luck to all. Yeah, Nuts Diamond McNuts, man. If it does go lower and you do have buying power to average down, and that is something that you're interested in, get started, man. Do it. I still believe in the AMC Stock Short Squeeze. I know there might be some people out there who are skeptical. There might be some people out there who think it's done. And it will be done when one of two things happens. When the shorts cover or when the apes give up, okay? And I know there's a lot of apes discouraged. And I know there are a lot of apes giving up. But if they don't all give up, or if the short interest is still outstanding, I will still be holding AMC. I should pull yelling at me. Devil's advocate, because I was yelling when I typed it. It shouldn't. It should have been yes or yeah. That would have been a better answer, Freddie. I wasn't thinking. I just left the answers the same because they're already pre-filled at yes and no. Caps. Yeah, my caps was on, man. That was my bad. I didn't see it until I was done. Oh, y'all made me uncomfortable, dude. There's no such thing as uncomfortable, devil's advocate. There's never any such thing as uncomfortable. That's impossible. Get it out of your vocabulary right now. Mark Johnson, yeah, I got 2 more this week. Wish I'd have waited, but I got 2. I'll get more 2 weeks time. Methinks. Very nice, Pringleton. I reported that poll for Caps Lock. Good deal, Pringleton. Thank you very much for keeping an eye on the chat so nobody's spamming and nobody's caps locking anybody in here. We got 29 votes on the poll. Let's see what it looks like. The answer is 66% yes. I'll give you guys a couple more minutes to see if you want Devil's Advocate to do a music video tonight or sometime this weekend. And if it sounds like something you're interested in, click yes. Devil's Advocate is a good voice. Devil's Advocate's got a good everything, man. Freddie, heck yeah. Rob Bliss, it's all good. I hope it's all good, man. With his caps lock there. I like it. Thank you for being caps locked. Let's see. What do we got? What's this stuff doing after hours right now? Sideways after hours. I imagine people are already on vacation. You know, after hours for Farmy, sitting dead flat. My goodness, no action whatsoever after hours. Prague, no action whatsoever after hours. GameStop, up down 0.08%. That's no action. Shiba was sitting at 31.17. Now it's sitting at 31.04. No action there either. Very, very, very slow after hours right now. Little barcoding coming in on AMC. All right, taking a play out of Prague's book there. Okay, got some barcodes coming in on AMC. Interesting. All right, we got the votes. The votes are in. Is Devil's Advocate safe, or is he voted off the island? End poll. Seems like we got 66% saying yes. 2-1, man. 2-1. Looks like you will be doing another music video. Devil, do a live stream. Ooh, live stream. 65 yes, 34 no. I don't know where that other 1% went. There's no way I'm doing a live stream. That's Clay's thing. I do enjoy doing live streams, man. I do enjoy doing live streams. I have a lot of fun with it. Lots of support for the bros. Yes, we got a lot of support. All the bros here support everybody. It's actually pretty. I really like that. I think Devil's Advocate should take your live stream spot on Monday and do a sing along, dude. More power to him, Devil's Advocate. You want to do a sing along on Monday? People will be listening. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Let's see here. Do you know anything about IMTE? Unfortunately, I do not, Rob. I do not. IMTE. Integrated Media. My goodness. What a nice run. Doubled in the last week. $4 to almost $9 per share. Very interesting. Very interesting. I gotta get the volume back up over here. I gotta see what's going on with this. This stock really likes to run. I will say it is definitely reaching a level of resistance, though. So be careful. I don't know if options are available, but I wouldn't be opposed to getting some puts. Yeah, it ran up to 44 bucks way back here in 2018, but you know, these spike ups, they don't seem to last. This is a week, boom, right back down. 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 This week, boom. Next week, what would you expect based on the trading pattern in the past? What would you expect this candle right here to look like? Personally, I would expect it to look red. What do we got? Oh my gosh, what an idiot. You guys can't even see this. Jeez. Up, right back down. A week, right back down. A week, right back down. And so on. You guys get it. I already said it, but you couldn't see it before. That was my bad. What do we got here? Vishav Kumar. Thank you very much for the super chat, Vishav Kumar. Really appreciate that. Watching you every day. Finally, you slept properly this time. Love the energy. Oh, you slept or I slept properly? Somebody slept properly, man. Somebody slept properly. I don't know if it was me. I don't know if it was you. But thank you very much, man. Appreciate that super chat. Appreciate the shout out. And somebody getting some good sleep, man. I like it, Vishav. Yes, amazing cryptocurrencies. Yavana Rohansen. We got amazing cryptocurrencies coming in here. Could plummet just as fast, too, but they just announced NFTs. So, ooh, interesting, Rob. Interesting. That might be why you got the spike up there. I would imagine it is. But based on the previous trading action, I would be a little bit concerned about that holding up its gains. That's just me. I'd probably buy some puts on that. Get rid of that there. Yep. Devil's Advocate, I'll pay something. Didn't see what you're paying there. Just be on screen. $10 super chat required to make a request. Boom! Devil's Advocate. Let's go. Sounds good to me, man. I lit my phone on fire, but how do I make sure my Shiba was burned? KO bets. Unfortunately, your Shiba was not burned. It's not how you do it. You got to make sure you forget your wallet address or send it to the dead wallet. It's the best way to do it is send it to the dead wallet. What do you think will happen on the 21st, Clay? I'm gonna be honest, man. I don't have high expectations for a huge run up on the 21st. Okay. I know a lot of people are excited about $145 strike prices, but I don't think we get there, okay? I don't think we run all the way up to $145. I would put a little bit more enthusiasm towards the end of the month and a 1-year anniversary of GameStop and AMC. So I would put the excitement there as opposed to the 21st. 2022 year crypto? I hope so, Mark Johnson. If it's not, man, 2023, we've got that one coming up. Speaking of sleep quality, my mom had the audacity to complain about her Fitbit not tracking her sleep and make me try to fix it for an hour before finding out she didn't wear it to bed. That's what moms are for, man. That's what moms are for sure. Yeah, I don't wear my watch to bed, though. I don't like wearing my watch to bed. I just let my watch charge during the night. You gotta love moms, though. You gotta love moms. That sounds exactly like something a mom would do. 2022, you're the Tiger. Tiger Inu is one of the coins that's minted a lot lately. You're like a micro machine guy. You go on fast. I think that's good, right? I don't know if it is or not. Devil's Advocate, that's hilarious. She must be in the 50s club. Danelle's like, yes, that's something that I would do. No. I would never do that. But that does sound exactly like something a mom would do, man. Sounds exactly like something a mom would do. For an hour, dude. Oh, my gosh. She's probably had you, like, updating it and re-downloading things and all that. 162 people in here and only 82 likes. Come on, people. Hit that like button. Support our boy. Thank you very much, Rob. Listen, yeah, guys, let's go over 100 likes. Remember, okay, YouTube, honestly, they really do like it if you click the like button, okay? I know people don't like it when I ask to click the like button, but, man, the YouTube really likes it. Listen to Isai Wu. Like, subscribe. Yes, gotta love Nana. Leah, absolutely. You gotta love Nana. Gotta love Pap, too. Official AMC day 128.22. Christopher, let's get it, man. 128.22. I'd be excited about that. I'd be more excited about that than I would be the 21st. Hit the bell. Hey, really do hit the bell, though. If you don't have notifications turned on, you got to ask yourself why. That's nothing. My mom bought a smart TV, and she has never used an app. Nice, dude. Nice. She's just not ready for it. She's just not ready for it, man. One day. She'll use an app one day. Shiba. What? Prognose? That's why I did it. You don't have to. Claire. Rob, thank you very much, man. Become a bro. Listen to Danelle and become a bro. Grab that green name, guys. We haven't had a green name in a long time. I don't even know if we've had a green name since I came up here to the jail cell. My mom makes me grilled cheese sandwich, and I don't even have to ask her. Paul, that is amazing, dude. That is amazing. I can't remember the last time I had a grilled cheese sandwich, but now I really, really want one. Oh, man. What if I made some bread tonight, and then I made a grilled cheese sandwich? That sounds really good. Clay, now that I've taken profits and have a total of like $30 cash, I'm curious, when you stopped working, was there an adjustment period before being used to having no schedule, so to speak? Yeah, dude. There really was. But honestly, I'm back into a schedule now. You know what I mean? Like, I'm back into a schedule now. So, you will, because you're going to have a choice, man. You either kind of get a little lazy, or you got to get into a schedule and stay productive. So, find yourself a schedule and stay productive. Sonny! Welcome to the little bro. Sonny, man, thank you very much, Sonny C, for grabbing that little bro. And I don't know how you got that. You must have resubscribed or something, because you got that purple. You got the purple icon right there. Everybody, I want to see 150 welcome Sonnies in the chat right now. Even if you don't normally type something, welcome Sonny for grabbing that green name and becoming a bro. Absolutely appreciate it, Sonny. Incredible. Tom and Chi. Isawu says, go get yourself a grilled cheese sandwich. Tom and Chi, welcome, Sonny. Yes. Sonny C, welcome. Broettes and Bros United. Leah J knows about it. Welcome, Sonny. Sonny, bro. Welcome, Sonny. Sonny! Yes, that's what I'm talking about, guys. This is amazing. I imagine lazy first, then schedule after a while. Devil's advocate? Yes, that is probably what would happen there. Welcome, yes. Oh my God. Freddie! Thank you very much, Freddie, for the super chat. Spreading the love, just thanking the bro family for making my days better. Freddie, you are amazing, man. Freddie is amazing. Guys, not only is Freddie talented with creating NFTs, Freddie is clearly having a very good day today. Freddie, thank you very much, man. Really appreciate that. Look, we're going to start the weekend off right now. Freddie, thank you very much, man. Oh, my goodness. Dude, Freddie deserves, like, shout-outs. When you get those NFTs rolling, make sure you let us know, because I'm sure some people are going to want them. Become a sis. What? Puneta? Puneta wants to become a sis? What is a sis? Somebody should, like, start a sister channel. My sister should start a sister channel and tell you to become a sis. That's what you should do. Don't forget to smash that like button, my fellow bros. SD, yes, guys. Listen, if you're not going to smash it for me, smash it for Freddie. Okay? Smash it for Freddie. Think about that. Don't smash it for me right now. Smash that like button for Freddie. We are sitting on, how many likes we sitting on here? 89 likes, and you guys aren't even going to click that like button for Freddie. What are you doing, man? Get us to 100. Bro and sis, come on. Rob Bliss. Yes, Rob Bliss knows the bro and sis. Freddie, that was awesome. We all appreciate you. Heck yeah, Freddie is definitely a bro, man. Just being inclusive. Heck yeah. Sister channel is that dude who does makeup sister. Anyone? Nah, I don't know a dude that does makeup, but does he tell you to become a sis? You gotta have something for the ladies are bros too, man. You don't think you could be a bro if you're a girl? Why not? Everybody's a bro. Yes, Freddie, NFTs, we want that faux show. Freddie, yes we do, man. I'm gonna learn graphic design so I can make NFTs. Mark Johnson. I don't know if you need to know graphic design or what the deal is, how to get involved with NFTs. Freddie clearly knows a lot about it. You could ask Freddie about it if you want. But it does sound like you'd be pretty good if you're a graphic designer and you can make some pretty cool things. My brother does my makeup. My brother does my makeup channel. Leah, your brother does your makeup channel. You have a makeup channel? And your brother is in charge of it? Shiba News, bro? Need you. So I haven't seen, oh no. Crap. Yeah, watch the video tonight, because I do have something from the Milkshake Twitter that I wanted to talk about. But as far as like any other news, no. Just don't buy Shiba Inu coin unless you're going to buy it on Ethereum blockchain. No, but he calls everyone's sister. He's like super rich in his own, and he has his own makeup. James Charles. He calls everybody sis? Oh, he calls everyone sister? Dude, I call everyone bro. He's probably got a predominantly female audience, though. I would assume, if they're doing makeup. He's a 10. Boom! He's a 10, man. Get it. Become a clay sis. Become a clay sis. Become a clay bro. Come on. I'm too shy to start my makeup channel, nail art channel. Leah. Shy. That you're gonna tell people you're shy. To sit in your own house and start your own channel about doing what you love to do. Leah, you're not shy. Come on. Don't use that excuse. You got it. Bros and broettes. Yeah. Listen, you can be a broette, but you know what broette shortened is? It's bro. So you become a bro, all right? Broette shortened is bro. Hope everyone has a wonderful weekend. Can't wait to be back on Tuesday. Donnell, we will be back on Tuesday. Vishav Kumar, thank you very much for grabbing that green name. Perfect way to end the live stream. Everybody, listen, it's 5 o'clock. We're gonna take off for the weekend. We will be back on Tuesday. Listen, tell Vishav Kumar welcome. I'll give the shout outs to those that say welcome to Vishav Kumar. We will be taking off. I hope 23.4 million subs on YouTube. That is incredible, man. For makeup. Wow. And which makes me wonder, like, do girls take makeup tips from him? He's got to be doing makeup over a beard or something. That'd be a little different. Anyway, welcome Vishav to the channel right now. We'll get the shout outs going, and then I hope everybody enjoys the weekend. Vishav, man, thank you very much for grabbing that green name, becoming a bro. Spider Claw, Leah, Sunny, Leah, Devil's Advocate, Freddie, see you later, and thank you very much, Freddie, for the super chat. Sincerely appreciate you, man. Punyeta, Isa Wu, Spider, Frodo, AMC Trapper saying welcome, Donnell, Freddie, Frank, Jason, Cassie, Frodo, Pringleton, Julie Miller, welcome, and bye-bye to you, Julie Miller. Frank says welcome, thank you very much, Frank. Leah, Justin, Isa Wu, Punyeta, hey, Devil's Advocate, guest name, Pringleton, welcome, Vshab SD, thank you very much, AMC Trapper saying peace out to the diamond-handed apes, and if Crypto Rocketeer is still in here, boom, dabbing on him, my man, Isa Wu, Brian, Mitch, Isa Wu, Diddy214, later to you, Leah, enjoy your weekend. Devil's Advocate, enjoy your weekend. Everybody, enjoy your weekend. Christopher Bate, Freddie, man, enjoy it. Great weekend to the bros. Yes, Freddie. All right, guys, listen. Jason High, show the mods some love. All the mods deserve all the love, guys. I want to say thank you to everybody in here. Thank you for having a great day today. Thank you for not being upset when the stock prices go down. Keeping your head on you. Gorilla Invictus, peace out to you, my man. All things blue. Isa Wu, Julie Miller, bye-bye. Mitch, I love all you guys. Thank you for hanging out, having a great time. Enjoy your weekend. Take some time. Do something for yourself. Stay safe out there. You know, be responsible. All that good stuff. Mark, see you later, man. Enjoy your weekend. And now you guys know what time it is. So if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.